Have a political party, PDP, that is supposed to lead the opposition. But what do you have? Political charlatans hijacking the heartbeat of our opposition party and turning it into an errand platform for the ruling party. So brothers and sisters, leaders of this party, it is time to rise up. The noise you hear today from those who have no conscience and those who have been bought with a plot of land will not swallow us.
For National Assembly,
I will be fearless. I will not shake. It is on this same ground, in this my compound, that they sent the assassins from Owerri that beheaded my uncles and killed our people. But I survived. Despite that, do I look like I'm scared? So you can keep on cooking things to frame me with. But my voice will be loud, and they will continue to run under the bed when I speak.
Bringing motions that will move the country forward.
To be the chairman of this committee, we say
representation in we are feeling your representation in the House of Reps. In the green chamber, who shall we send and who shall come for us? We decided to
Party that was founded in 1998 by the great effort of our founding fathers is what an impostor called Omadamagu and Samuel Anyanwu Sandadi is now messing up with and forgetting the sacred expectation of Nigerian people, all of you, from a vibrant opposition. Their abracadabra have challenged us, and we must lead the people to this political battle.